Good morning. My name is Shaundre Carolus. I am an occupational welding lecturer for Fallsburg College, Westlake campus. I am a qualified welder by trade. I'm currently employed with Fallsburg College. Previously, I was employed by Transnet Engineering and WBSO Construction. Many people have asked this question, what is welding? So, let me explain. Welding is the joining of two materials of the same chemical structure by using a technique called fusion. Here are just a few career paths a qualified welder can follow. By becoming an underwater welder, a coded welder, a welding inspector, a welding specialist, and a welding engineer. Welding is all around us. For example, from the burglar bars at your house to the manufacturing of the pressure vessels and to the cars that you see every day. The courses that we offer here are competency-based. These include arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, oxyacetylene welding, and brazing. If you want to enroll at the college for the welding course, you need to have an N2 or a technical matric, which includes the following subjects: maths, science, welding theory, and drawings. To become a qualified welder, there are good employment prospects in the oil and gas, construction, manufacturing, and farming sector. Qualified welders are high in demand, locally and abroad. Welding is a very demanding field. It requires a lot of dedication and discipline. For more information, please visit our website, fallsburgcollege.co.za.